on, nothing to talk about. He says he'll try to deal with that when he maybe comes down the day before. He comes down to our 8-inch car show, the one on the 24th.
Yep.
And the other one is that I guess the clear that you put on, one of the car washers lifted it, so you had to peel it off. So he thinks maybe what he might want to do is just do all the bottom in vinyl, that black vinyl, and don't clear it.
Where? Which part?
Behind the back wheel, I think he said, back driver's side. When he washed it, it
Was
peeled up.
Was it on the textured part, or was it?
Yeah, the textured part.
Yeah. Well, he knew that was going to happen.
Yeah, he knew that.
So,
Yeah, he's not squawking about it.
Okay.
No, there's no squawk. There's nothing about it. Nothing. He says he's totally impressed. He loves it. People are all. The biggest problem people say to him, he said, "Oh, you spent that money. Why would you want to protect that?" And he laughs at them.
It's $200,000 car now.
Yeah.
Why not? That guy's going to make a fortune when he sells that car. He's going to make a fortune.
Yeah.
That car is never going to go down in price.
Never.
It's only going up. And the more guys that write those cars off,
Yeah,
the
you're
more
right.
those cars are going up.
That's right.
So he did like the smartest thing he could have done to that car. Protect it, you know?
But you know, John Scotty's got 2 of them for sale right now. They're still like, he's got them at 116 grand.
Really?
Yeah. So I don't know. I really don't know.